I know you've seen the anchor point dialog, but what does it actually do? Let's take a look. We're going to grab this After Effects icon, and I've made it into a perfect square of 500 by 500 pixels. Click A on the keyboard to bring up your anchor point dialog. And you'll notice right away you get 250 and 250 with this particular icon because it's a 500 by 500 icon, and exactly in the middle would be 250 across and 250 up and down on the y-axis. So what does this little anchor point do that kind of looks like a bullseye with a couple of lines on it? Well, the anchor point allows rotation, for example, to rotate from that point. So let's do just that. Let's click Shift R to also bring up the rotation dialog. And you'll notice you have the multiplier and the degree. We're going to move the degree, and as you'd imagine, it rotates around that anchor point. So what does it look like, and what happens if we move this anchor point to, let's say, the upper left-hand corner? Let's do just that. So we'll take the anchor point and move the x-axis, and then the y-axis, oops, there we go, to the top left-hand corner. And now, when we rotate it, it rotates around that anchor point, which is now on the corner. And for kicks, let's see what it looks like if we have the anchor point moved down to the side. There we go. We'll adjust accordingly. We spin it around. Pretty simple, huh?